Hello, everybody out there in the metaverse. This is Aaron Stanberry of All Things Metaverse with Aaron, and today we're going to be talking about the content creator. We're going to be talking about the engaged content creator. So, if you have had any problem with this, you don't understand it, or you want to try to work with it any kind of way, this is the place for you. The content editor in Engage is one of the most powerful tools that you have as a content creator because it allows you or gives you the ability to animate various IFXs or any type of 3D object within your experience that you are building. If you want to add something to your snapshot or animation to your snapshot, this is the tool for it. So we're going to just continue on right now and bring you that best type of information you can have concerning how to use the content creator. Now, here we are at the content creator. And as we move around, you see we moving around to various different things. Here, this is how Engage look. For those of you who are familiar with this is Engage 4.01. 4.01 in Engage. It is the latest version within the context of Engage. So, just briefly, right now you're standing in front of the Engage board, letting you know what all the different topics that's available. And if you look to the right over here, where they're highlighted, you have the Explore link that takes you to Engage Center, Creative Center, and it just shows you different things that people have built in persistent worlds in Engage. The next you have events. Events is the area where each individual user who has at least a plus account can develop and create an event that they can invite different people into. Now there are limitations on this because with the plus account you can only have 10 people in the event at a time, but with the enterprise account you can have um, up to 70, I think, right now. If we move down, we have the joint session. And let me go back up to the event. If you click on that event button, you will see it comes up with the event, and then it will show you after it catches up, it'll show you all the various events that are available in this particular during these particular times. You have um, uh, today at 4 you have this, but if you notice over here it is locked, and by it being locked you must have a password to get in. Go down here to the next one, it is unlocked, so forth and so on. These are the times and these are the things. Now you notice here at the 7th, on the 7th of July 2025, you only have one event. However, at 1900 7 o'clock, I will probably be putting going on live with the event. But until then, this is just how it looks. You have several pages of events that's going to be happening throughout the week, throughout the month, however the people who are doing these events put on. But if you notice over here again, you have those that are locked and those that are unlocked. If you go back home, let's go up to live. Let's go back home. Go back to home, and if you come down here to the next one, which is joint section, joint sessions will now come into play. Joint sessions are those sessions that are live. So right now we have the Fridge Poetry by Educators in VR. And what that does, that allows that particular event or session is open right now. It has a key on it, so that means that it's a standard and there's one. Maybe later we'll go into one of these after we finish with our content creator information. But right now we go down again, start event. Starting the event, it's going to open up with the various locations that are available for you to go in. Each one of these are templates that are within Engage, and they will allow you to go to those templates, and then you can build on those templates, or you can add content creation to those templates. Now, if we go back to home, the next one is start a session, which is basically the same thing. You can go to a location and start a session, and in that session you'll have different um, experiences and sessions and locations that you can go to, stuff that you built that's on your headset or in the cloud. You can, from these locations, you can go there and enter into them and enjoy them. Or if you just want to do some maintenance on them, you can do that also. Next one are experiences. Now, experiences are those things that we just are those things within Engage that has been put on what we call a persistent account. And these are some of these. You can go into all of these and look around and see what kind of things that Engage has that's in the experience account, so that you can get used to that stuff. So going back now, you got connections. Connections here indicates all the people that you are connected with. But if you go down that list, anything with a green dot means that that person is online right now. So as you see, none of the people that I deal with or have any kind of contact with are not online. So there's no one online right now within my contact list. So now, if we go back, that last one there is where we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about content creating. And in content creating, once you click on that button, you will come up with this page right here, which is content creator. Like it says, create virtual reality training lessons and entertainment in a minute. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with a new experience. See, when you go into content creator, you're going to look for experience editor. See, it used to be content creator or session creator, but now they changed it to an experience creator. So you're going to start a new experience. Once you start that experience, it's going to ask you um, what location you want that experience to be in, and you can just go through and check and everything and see what experience you want it to be. Or you can go up to the search bar here and you can type in what you want. So I'm gonna go to the creator area. Some of these you just type one or two words in and it'll take you there. But okay, these are the different types of creator areas that Engage has as far as templates go. Normally, I do work that I do with my snapshots and stuff. I do it from the creator grassroots. So we're gonna teleport. We're gonna go over to that area so I can show you a little bit of how I use the content creator. So here we are. We're in what is known as the grassy area of our creator area, and this here is our what we will call a timeline, or the okay.